Apple's upcoming affordable model in the iPhone series was previously presumed to be named the iPhone SE 4, but new leaks and insider reports indicate otherwise. This new iPhone might break tradition and be called the iPhone 16e instead. This information comes from two credible sources: Weibo's Fixed Focus Digital and frequent Apple leaker Majin Buu, who recently posted on X. Majin Buu elaborates that this new device will resemble the iPhone 14 in design. But why would Apple abandon the popular SE branding, which has long symbolized value? This shift might have deeper reasoning. The SE models historically reused older designs while upgrading internal components. For example, the first SE resembled the iPhone 5S, while the second and third iterations were near replicas of the iPhone 8. However, the new iPhone diverges from this formula. It is expected to introduce Apple Intelligence capabilities, offering advanced AI-driven tools such as writing tools, new Siri, and Image Playground to users at a budget-friendly price point. Powered by the A18 Bionic chip, the iPhone 16e promises flagship-level performance, potentially making it one of the fastest devices in its category. Additionally, a jump from 4GB to 8GB of RAM and a base 128GB storage configuration is also anticipated. Rumors also suggest that this model is set to deliver a premium user experience with Face ID for the first time in the SE lineup, replacing the traditional Touch ID. This change reduces bezel size and may include features like Dynamic Island for enhanced multitasking. A larger 6.1-inch OLED screen will replace the SE 2022's 4.7-inch LCD. Reports suggest the price could land around $599 or slightly less, allowing Apple to maintain a competitive edge in affordability. According to McRumors, an unnamed X user with a reliable track record in iOS leaks reported that Apple plans to launch two new devices, codenamed V59 and J481, alongside the rollout of iOS 18.3. Based on prior details shared by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, V59 refers to the next-generation iPhone SE, or iPhone 16e, while J481 corresponds to a new entry-level iPad. Citing historical patterns, McRumors highlighted that Apple typically releases updates like iOS 15.3, 16.3, and 17.3 in late January, leading to speculation that these devices might debut within the same timeframe. However, Mark Gurman strongly refuted this claim via social media, labeling it completely untrue, before clarifying the timeline further. Gurman confirmed that the iPhone SE 4 and iPad 11 are indeed part of the iOS 18.3 development cycle, but indicated that they would not launch concurrently with the update's release. Instead, Apple aims to make these devices available before the rollout of iOS 18.4, with a potential release by April 2025, assuming the schedule proceeds as planned. Are you excited about the potential upgrades, or do you think Apple should stick to the SE branding? And don't forget to subscribe for more updates.